Ryan's filming this one.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, right. It's H2Oi prep. What are you doing?
Mazda things.
Right? Yo. We got a whole bunch of footage coming up with the Mazda. And it's been a while and everyone's been asking, where is your other G35? Because I've been working, you know, on the turd for like ever now. So I decided, it's been a couple of years and we're gonna bring it back to the channel because I got a whole bunch of work planned for it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Cool, see it?
I haven't done work to it for a while and it's been just in the garage. So I'll go get it. Hold on just a second. I'll tell you when to open, all right?
Okay. What's behind door number 3? I don't know. Yep, sounds pretty good. That's a beauty. Nice.
Yeah, man.
Sounds pretty good, eh?
Yeah.
Scary.
G35.
This is almost as nice as your other one.
It is my other one. So, yeah, I haven't done a lot of work to the car recently. Everyone was hitting me up. They're like, where's the car? Where is the car? Where's the car? What are you doing for the car? What are the plans for the car? So, H2Oi 2 years ago, right before I ended up getting the new turd, there was a slight accident and a whole lot of damage. And so, I'll show you guys what the deal is. And so, like, you know, it was parked in the garage for the longest time. And I actually found the car again on Copart. So I got it back. Yeah. And so the idea is, a lot is actually good with this car still.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll show you though, but check it out. This is what we got. So, or at least this is what we got to work with. The rails, right up here, these frame rails are, yeah, see this was actually supposed to be straight that way, right there. Yeah, this one right there, yeah, it's supposed to be like that. And then this one right here is supposed to also, yeah, be pulled to the passenger side. Yeah, you can see I got wide body. Wide. it's a wide body right now. Yeah. Straight up pulled. It's freaking awesome. And yeah, Yeah, the police had it. That's pretty cool. That's you know you're cool when your car
There they are.
was when the police took your car. Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh man, the fit.
Everyone knows 94th Street.
Yeah. Yeah. And so I took the other wheels off, and they are on. Oh look, my other G. Yeah. So my other wheels clearly came off the car. They survived the impact. And you can see right here, I had the car to use it as a template for all of my decals for the following H2Oi, right? So this is still got the old MG one, and dude.
Yeah, that spoiler looks a lot nicer than yours.
Right? I can look like an adult now. Soon. So that's part of the plan. I'm gonna throw a lot of the parts from this car onto that one for H2Oi, and yeah, I got a lot of work to do.
You got a week to do it.
So let me show you.
Ooh, too dark.
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, the taillights aren't in yet because I took them off the car. I need to do some stuff with the taillights that are on that one, so I'm just gonna put them on that car for now.
Yeah.
But yeah, I got the old original decal, yeah, straight up, and then woo, yeah, it's been sitting in the musty garage. But this will all clean up. This is just little, patina. So.
Gonna have fun with that.
Yeah, so this is just proof. It is actually my original G35, and this is the original headlight. So that is going on the trophy wall.
Yep.
Yeah. And
what happened to the other one? It survived, right?
well, yeah, here, hold on.
And right there. Yeah.
Well, this is the one. Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, this is from the impact. So
That'll pass inspection, right?
yeah, sadly this one's not going back on the car, I don't think. Yeah, this is, I don't even know what to do with this one. I'll probably check it out or something. This one's kind of sentimental, right? That's pretty cool. But here's the kicker. Everything from this engine runs. And it runs better than my other one. So this is the Quest for Fire, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, this is the engine that will shoot fire.
Oh yeah, how's that?
Not yet, I mean, but that's
In
the
the
goal.
future.
That's the goal, because the other one's drinking oil, but it's the Quest for Fire. So I'm gonna just swap a whole bunch of stuff over. I want the sound at least for H2Oi, and then after H2Oi, I can just go freaking balls to the wall and really make the other one run and sing and shoot fire.
Yep.
And then this one, we can do whatever we want. So this is like the first time I've ever done this to my G, ever, or to any car. I haven't even done this to your car.
No.
This makes me feel good though.
Doesn't it feel good?
It does feel freaking good. I don't want to step on the roof, but so.
Yep. Word.
Yeah, it was like the worst day of my life. No, okay, there's other days that are pretty bad, but it was a terrible day in my life, and yeah, that's why I didn't really tell anyone about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah.
Yeah, a lot of work to do.
Lots of work. So everything's coming up, and if you made it this far, you liked the video, just make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe to show all your friends, because we are going to be doing a crap ton of work to that G35 that I got and the original G35. It'll probably never be legal for the street again, but that doesn't mean anything about a drift track. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, man. Woo!
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video. We'll see you next time. It's got the custom 240 zip ties.
Yeah, it's one of those make it work situations.
Yeah.
It's like at least 20.
Custom paint job there. Orange and stuff. Flared hood. Yeah.
This will bend right back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not if she's aluminum, which I think it is.
Yeah. But this can be more of like an apocalypse drift build.
Mm-hmm.
And I've already been asked about parts. We are going to have parts for sale from this car because you know, I'm going to have doubles of some things. We are going to have parts for sale coming up on the Mills Garage sale.
Yeah.
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 Cool.
Yeah, man.
All right. Yeah. Let's do it.
Cool.